Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So my ship is in Barcelona, Spain, and it's a Sunday today. It's a very sunny Sunday. The weather is so pleasant, and recently I've started to bake on board. This is one of the new activities that I've tried, and previously last week I made a cheesecake which came out really well. However, that was an experiment and I did not really video it. So today I'm going to make another cake. I'm planning to make the very famous tres leches cake from South America, Latin America, and since we don't have a whipping tool here, I've modified and created a whipping tool of my own for baking. Let me show you quickly. So I've taken this electric drill machine, and I took 4 steel wires and I've had them braced into a snap-on coupling. I've sanitized the whole thing with alcohol, and I'm going to use this to whip the eggs and the cream and everything. Let me show you. You can vary the speed into low RPM, high RPM. I think this should work because for tres leches cake especially, from what I've read, it requires very fine whipping of the egg whites and the egg yolks. So since there was no whipper available, so I had to create this makeshift whipper. I think this should get the job done. So it's already 9 a.m. 9:30. So without any further delay, let's get to baking. So this is the final product, the tres leches cake with a little bit of Oreo topping, a simple modification to the original recipe. Now let me try it out. Let's look at the squeeze. As you can see, the milk is oozing, just perfect. So the cake turned out really well. It had just the right amount of sweetness and moisture, and everyone on board liked it very much. I will link the full recipe in the description below, and if you did like the video, please drop a like, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, ciao.